up in my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up.
Man, what up, man? It's your boy 728, man. Finally got this car clean, man, so I can see this nice spoiler alert. But yeah, it's on there, man. Got the whole car shining. Feel like a brand new car, man. Of course, the sun going down, so this footage might not be that great, but yeah, take a look at the ride, man. Got it looking clean. Y'all can see that carbon steel paint. You can finally tell that it's not black and it's not gray, so y'all can stop saying I thought your car was black. You know, I couldn't tell. Girl, look black on the camera. Shit, it might still look black. It doesn't look like that on my cell phone right now, but like I said, sun is setting. I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain tonight is what they say, but I still want to have it clean because I just got tired of it, man. But there go the spoiler, man, or should I say the extension or the wicker bill or whatever you want to call it, man. It's on there. Didn't fly off. Even though I put it on when it was like 25 degrees outside, it's still hanging in there. Now it's about 80, so I know that the glue and the adhesive from the 3M is on there good. And I just washed the car, it's still on there, so I think we in good shape, y'all. But I really like the car when it's clean. Looks a whole lot better. You can see the front with the little extension down there at the bottom, man. Stuff you don't see when it's dirty because it just blends in. And then the side skirt is on there, you know, stuff you don't see when it's dirty. And then on the back it's got the little extension. And then I was able to kind of sort of clean those exhaust tips, but they still kind of a little big dirty, but at least they're more on the black side, which they are. They're matte black instead of looking gray. But yeah, just a little update, man. Just a little something going on with the ride. I do actually want to let y'all know I got something else coming in next week or thereabouts. I don't know, with the shipping and all that, you know. But I got some coming in. I'm gonna let y'all guess what it is, man, because I don't want to give nothing away, man. You know, I already got some cosmetic. I already told y'all I might be doing something else, 4 different things. But y'all just gonna have to wait and see, man. You know, tune in, have your post notifications on, man. It looks so much better when it's not the whole car is not the same color, man. You can definitely tell that it's black. So yeah, you can see the flake in the paint. And then you got the black, and you got the black down here. So I'm almost clean enough to see your boy in the reflection. What's going on? Do the whole video like this. Also, it's Faded Fridays. I see your boy got the fade going. Damn, big things happening on the channel. Another glimpse. Woo! Big improvement to me, man. I like the subtleness of the stock part, but you know, you gotta have a little something on it. Plus, when you see it from this angle, you know, it just make all kinds of sense, you know. I definitely am happy with the clean car gang back in the building. But yeah, man, your boy's out.
Who the fuck go harder than me? Ray-Ban make it harder to see. Who the fuck go harder than me? Ray-Ban make it harder to see. Pardon me, but I'm killing these niggas cause a part of me ain't feeling these